Hi everyone, my name is Dominique and I'm currently interning at MSU Denver's Office for First Generation Students. I'm interested in couples and family work for a few different reasons. One of them is for personal reasons, just growing up seeing very unhealthy, negative relationships within my home and within different members of my community's homes, and I just want to be an agent of change in my community. But another reason is because I work with a lot of students. I worked with preschoolers, I worked with middle schoolers, and just different age groups, and really seeing those symptom bearers of the family and really seeing the issue as not only an individual issue that needs to be addressed, but also how it plays out in the family dynamic. So I just really want to be able to learn different interventions and techniques to really help these students and also help their families. I'm not quite sure if I want to do family therapy yet, or if I want to stick within a school system or potentially at a nonprofit. I did a lot of work within Denver Parks and Recreations, just working as a coach, working as a enrichment supervisor. So I want to figure out if there's some sort of way to add social work within the Denver Parks and Rec departments. I think it's very necessary to have it within our different recreation centers because I was a rec kid growing up. I know a lot of my friends would go to the recreation centers after school because it's a form of free after school care for low income families, and they have programs like they have, what is it called? It's like out of school days where they have like after school programs, and they also have My Denver, which is also a free program for students to come and do activities and come just hang out and do artwork. And I just feel like that can be an area for reaching students and also reaching their families and teaching them some of these techniques on how to have healthier relationships with one another. So I hope to gain and learn about some of those techniques that I could try to implement in that work if that's where I decide to go. As far as question 3, what I would rather be doing this spring, I would have to agree with Brandon that I would rather be in person for most of my classes. I made some like last minute schedule changes, and everything's just very uncertain with how if we're in person for our programming or online. So I decided to take this one online. But if there was more opportunities, I know that there is one class for this family and couples therapy to be in person. I would jump on that, but that class is full right now, so I'm just going to enjoy these discussion posts, and I look forward to get to know all of y'all.